Hello everyone, I am Rannu Mansoori, first year MMS student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. I am going to present on the topic of probability distribution. Here the distributions in which the first is frequency distribution. It is a listing of observed slash actual frequencies of all the outcomes of an experiment that actually occurred when the experiment was done. And the second one is probability distribution. It is a listing of the probabilities of all the possible outcomes that could occur if the experiment was done. It can be described as a diagram, a table, a mathematical formula. The next is types of distribution. Probability distribution. Probability distribution is classified into two parts. The first one is discrete probability distributions and second one is continuous probability distribution. Discrete probability distribution is also classified into two parts, that is binomial distributions and Poisson distribution. Continuous probability distributions is divided into one part, that is normal distribution. All the types is explained in details. For the first one is probability distribution. Discrete distribution. Random variable can take only limited number of values. Example, number of heads in two tosses. Continuous distribution. Random variable can take any value. Example, height of students in the class. Now we have a tree diagram. A fair coin is tossed twice. The next is attached probabilities. We have the diagram of attached probabilities as you can see. The next is calculate probabilities. So here the calculations of the probabilities are given. The next one is discrete distribution probability. And now we have the table of discrete distributions of probability, in which a coin is tossed 3 times and a sample space is given here, that is S is equal to bracket triple H comma HHT comma HTH comma HHT comma T double H comma THT comma double TH comma triple T bracket complete. Let X represent number of heads. The first column of X, in which the value 0, 1, 2, 3, and the second column is frequency, in which the value 1, 3, 3, 1, and third column of P bracket X is equal to X, in which the value is 1 divided by 8, 3 divided by 8, 3 divided by 8, 1 divided by 8. The next is binomial distribution. There are the certain phenomena in nature which can be identified as a Bernoulli's process, in which there is a fixed number of trials carried out. Each trial has only two possible outcomes, say success or failure, true or false, etc. Probability of occurrence of any outcome remains same over the successive trials. Trials are set, statistically independent. The second point is binomial distribution is a discrete probability distributions which express the probability of one set of alternative success. bracket P and failure bracket Q. The, the third point is P bracket X is capital X is equal to small x bracket complete is equal to NCR P का power R Q का power n minus R. The next is practical questions of probability of a binomial distribution. Four coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of the getting? No head, no tail, two head. The probability of a bomb hitting a target is 1 divided by 5. Two bombs are enough to destroy a bridge. If six bombs are fired at the bridges, find the probability that the bridge is destroyed. If 8 ships out of 10 ships arrive safely, find the probability that at least one would arrive safely out of 5 ships selected at random. The next is practice questions of binomial distribution. A pair of dice is thrown 7 times. If getting a total of 7 is considered as a success, find the probability of getting no success bracket 5 divided by 6 power 7. 6 success 35 point bracket 1 divided by 6 power 7. At least of 6 success 36 point bracket 1 divided by 6 power 7. 8/10 of the palms were correctly filled. Find the probability of getting exactly 3 of 6 palms correctly filled. Now we have the measures of central tendency and dispersions for the binomial distribution. Mean of binomial distribution. Standard deviations of BD. The mean deviations of BD is 20 and its SD is 4. Find NPQ. The mean of BD is 20 and its SD is 7. Comment. The next is fading of binomial distribution. 4 coins are tossed 160 times and the following results were obtained. The first row is number of heads and the second row is frequency. In number of heads there is a value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the frequency in which the value are given, that is 17, 52, 54, 31, 6. Fit a binomial distributions under the assumptions that the coins are unbiased. Fit a binomial distributions to the following data. The first column is X. The first row is X in which the value is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the second row is F frequency in which the value is given that 28, 62, 46, 10 and 4. Now we have the Poisson distribution. When there is a large number of trial but a small probability of success, binomial calculations becomes impractical. Now we have the normal distribution. It is a continuous probability distributions. Example, random variable can take on any value within a given range. Example, height, weight, marks, etc. Developed by 18th century mathematicians, astronomer Carl Guess, also called Gaussian distributions. It is a symmetrical unimodal. Since it is a symmetrical, its mean, median and mode all coincides. Example, all three are same. Now we have the defining a normal distribution. Only two parameters are considered: mean and standard deviation. Say mean, different standard deviations, same as D, different means, different mean and different standard deviation. Now we have the diagram of area under the normal curve. You can see the diagram. Next is area under the curve. The mean is equal the mean is equal to 1. The mean plus equal to 1. Standard deviations covers approx 68% of the area under the curve. The mean is equal to 2. Standard deviations covers approx 95.5% of the area under the curve. The mean is equal to 3. Standard deviations cover 99.7% of the area under the curve. Standard normal probability distribution. In a standard normal probability distributions, mean is equal to 0, SD is equal to 1, then Z is equal to X minus sigma divided by sigma. Z is equal to number of standard deviations from X to mean, also called as Z score. X is equal to value of RV. Now we have the practical question, practicals for normal distributions. Mean height of Gurkhas is 147 centimeter with SD of 3 centimeter. What is the probability of height being greater than 152 centimeter? That is 4.75%. Height between 140 and 150 centimeter, that is 8.14%. Mean demand of an oil is 1000 IDR per month with SD of 250 IDR. If 1200 IDRs are stocked, what is the distributions level? In which the 78% is given. For an assurance of 95%, what stock must be kept? Thank you so much everyone for watching my video.